In this video, we want to show you how to install the Chrome extension so that you can start logging your time. So I'm going to log in with my admin account here, which is a kind of a default account. And then from here, there's a couple different ways. I'll show you the 3 different ways you can get to this. So first way is click on time tracking in the sidebar menu, and you'll see this banner, which will detect that you don't have the Chrome extension installed. So you just click Learn More and Setup. It'll take you straight into the browser. It's probably the easiest, quickest way to get here. Another way you could get here is by clicking on Settings and then coming over here and clicking on Browser Extension, and it'll take you there. Third and final way is click on your username up here and then click on Profile Settings, which will take you back to Settings anyway. And then you can click on Browser Extension. Anyway, 3 different ways to get to the same place. My preference is time tracking and then click the 1 button. So once you're here, just go ahead and immediately download the extension. I'll pop open my file folder and this will give us the extension here. I'm going to click it 1 time to highlight it. I'll click Extract All. You could double click on Mac. It'll just extract it immediately there. But I'm going to extract this out to a very specific location, which I'm going to choose on my B drive. And I have so many devices around here. We'll just select that folder and we'll export that there. So this gives us all of this information or data here in the export. Let me get rid of this extra pop-up window here, which is this guy. Get rid of that. All right. Now, once we're here, what we need to do is open up our extension. So if you have a extensions puzzle piece in your toolbar, you can click it and then come down here to manage extensions. Another way to do it, 3 vertical ellipses, and then come down here to, where is it? Extensions here, and then manage extensions there. Either way takes you to the back end. The other thing here is this developer mode. I'm toggling it on and off so that you see it. In any event, it needs to be on because this extension is not available in the Chrome store. It is proprietary, connected to your instance that you downloaded from GitHub. So anyway, you'll load your unpacked extension, which is that zip file. And then from here you go in the B drive. You need to choose the outer folder, unfortunately. So come back out here, choose PMO X or whatever you named your folder. Click Select Folder, and then wonderfully it is showing up here. I'll leave the tab open for just a second. So the next thing that we need to do is come down here to click Next. This will bring us to the install, and this will tell us to connect the extension. And we'll go ahead and click that, and now all of a sudden it is now fully connected. So with that being said, if we come over to the puzzle piece or manage extensions, in any event, we can now see the PMO time trackers here. I like to pin it so that it's easy, so I don't have to keep clicking that puzzle piece. And as you can see, I got a bunch of icons up here as a result of that. In any event, I can click on this now, and if you set up your timers to use shortcut codes, you can go ahead and use them here. Otherwise, click Show Sidebar, and now all of your timers are available here. And this will allow you to do, starting of tasks and switching between tasks. If you need to set up new timer buttons, just click on the Settings button, and it'll take you over to your shortcut timers. And then from here, you can create your shortcuts, give it a label, give it a name, pick your project. If you pick a project, you'll have to pick a task of that project. It's a cascade selection. Pick a color, whatever. Give whatever group name that you want. Okay, so if you choose any of the existing groups, you choose those here. Otherwise, you can give it your own group. And these are the group names over here that you're seeing, right? So you can group them logically into any which way you want. If you don't group it, it just goes into a kind of an unorganized group. And at this point, if you toggle this pin to pop up, that's what this is over here. These were previously pinned, and you can tell items that are pinned because there's a pin next to the name. And this is where you'll pin them if you want them to show up into your quick start pin area so that you don't have to have the sidebar menu open. So that's how you install and quickly set up your buttons to get your timers in. That's it for this video. We'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.